Hello guys, welcome to NX with your new video. And in this video I'm going to give an update on the price of Bitcoin. So today is Monday. I hope you are grateful for another Monday. I hope you are grateful for another week. And of course I hope you are grateful for another Bitcoin candle close. So today we can see that the week that just closed far above our 59,000 level. It seems like Bitcoin is kind of consolidating right now. This week is one of the most important weekly candle close for Bitcoin for the last 28 weeks. 28 weeks roughly is the area between this line and this line. And for the last 28 weeks, we can see that Bitcoin managed to actually conquer our 36,000 level, our 46,000 level. We are currently trying to find support above our 59,000 level. So 28 weeks prior to that, we add this interval here between this line and this line. 28 weeks. During this interval or this event, Bitcoin managed to conquer our 23,000 level and our 29,000 level with a decisive move to the upside. 28 weeks prior to that, Bitcoin finds support at the bottom of our dark blue channel, at the bottom of our white channel, and was able to conquer our 19,000 and our 23,000 level with a decisive move to the upside, although it retested, but we never visit our 23,000 level again. So with that being said, we can assume that the next 28 weeks for Bitcoin is going to be the events where we should be able to abandon the 59,000 level and tap into our 77,000 level for good. Within this time frame, we expect Bitcoin to finally break the middle of this channel to the upside, try and find support above our 77,000 and the middle of the channel, and tap into our next Fibonacci levels. We know many people don't believe, but this is what is just in front of us. We have the event, the next 28 weeks, we have the middle of our channel, we have the 77,000 level, which is the current resistance, and we have a potential resistance where Bitcoin can push after breaking the middle of this channel, and of course after abandon our 59,000 for good. There's three targets in my opinion. Abandon 59,000 level will allow us to push toward the 77,000 level, most likely find support, and definitely push toward our 110th level. With that being said, we can also see that the DXY didn't get much stronger since it got rejected at 106 like we were predicting. We are still green on the super gap indicator, and if we see a move above our 77,000 level, breaking the top of this channel toward our next Fibonacci level, which are 77 and under 10, we can expect this DXY to turn from green to silver, and afterward probably silver to red, like what happened here. So Bitcoin will only find top, like we've been discussing many times. If you go to our previous videos, we can see where we discuss the top for Bitcoin and why we think Bitcoin is not top at the moment. Is that Bitcoin will only top after we get into acceleration phase, which is this phase where the DXY on the super gap indicator turns red and we see major acceleration, silver to red, acceleration and top. So we are not in the red on the super gap indicator, which means that's why we are not actually accelerating toward the top yet. But this is something that can happen at any time, or it might happen, in my opinion, within this event, within the next 28 weeks, or there's a likelihood for this to happen. DXY and Bitcoin ratio, the only concern still remains. We have the RSI still above the 30 level, according at 31. If we see a move above the current level or above the 70,000 toward or 77,000, we can expect the RSI to come below the 30 level, which will be considered a bullish move. We'll see the DXY ratio, this ratio, coming decisively inside this orange box. So for this RSI to finally break below the 30 level, we need a move above the 70,000 toward our 77,000 level. The Bitcoin dominance, we can see that Bitcoin didn't close this week below this important Fibonacci level. So currently moving sideways, still finding support above the 53.98%. We can see that the RSI did not break the 50 level, otherwise we would send a specific signal to the market, meaning the dominance is ready to continue to fall. But this week we still have this information saying that Bitcoin is still likely to keep consolidating. So far there's no evidence that the dominance will continue to fall. And considering that we are still above our 59,000 level and within between 70,000 and 69,000, this is what's holding the dominance above this 53.98 level, above this Fibonacci level. So a push above the 70,000 level is likely to push the dominance upward again, or would send a signal that the bullishness is still in the market, and this could trigger altcoin to actually compete with Bitcoin. And although Bitcoin would be pushing up, send a new signal showing going to all-time high, would actually trigger altcoins to compete with Bitcoin in a major scale, where we can see the dominance going down, although Bitcoin and altcoins going up, which would signal actually the altcoin season, due to Bitcoin being making new all-time highs. That's the update for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Monday. Thank you very much.